5 stocks I'm buying right now and why they matter in 2025. Everyone wants to know the next big stock, but most people don't know how to spot it. In this video, I'm showing you 5 stocks I'm buying right now and exactly why they matter for your wealth in 2025. These aren't guesses, they're backed by trends shaping the future. Stick around because the last one could be a game changer for your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these picks could redefine your strategy. It's not about hype, it's about long-term growth and smart positioning. The right stocks today could mean financial freedom tomorrow. Let's dive in and uncover the opportunities you can't afford to miss. This isn't financial advice, but it is what I'm doing with my own money. These picks aren't about hype or speculation. They're about where I see the world going. If you're building long-term wealth and want your money working smarter, not harder, watch this to the end. Each stock on this list taps into a trend that's reshaping industries, from AI to renewable energy. This isn't about quick wins, it's about securing a future you can depend on. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, these moves are worth considering. Stay until the end for a bonus pick that could quietly outperform the rest. Because sometimes the biggest opportunities aren't the loudest ones. This is about playing the long game, building a portfolio that stands the test of time. We'll break down why each stock matters, how it fits the trends, and what makes it unique. No fluff, no noise, just actionable insights you can use to make better decisions. Let's get started and explore how you can position yourself for the future. Part 1. Stock number 1. NVIDIA. NVDA. The first stock is NVIDIA. Yes, it's had a wild ride, but AI is still in early innings. They're not just a chip maker, they're the infrastructure behind machine learning, autonomous vehicles, and the metaverse. With massive institutional demand and real revenue growth, NVDA is more than a momentum trade, it's a backbone investment. They're also embedded in every major AI stack, from startups to Fortune 100s. If AI wins, NVIDIA wins. The company's focus on developing cutting-edge GPUs ensures it stays at the heart of innovation. Recent advancements in data center technologies make them indispensable for global cloud providers. Even as the market fluctuates, NVIDIA's role in AI-driven industries solidifies its long-term growth story. This isn't just a tech play, it's a bet on the infrastructure of the future. With AI adoption skyrocketing, their dominance in the space positions them as a generational winner. NVDA isn't just a stock, it's a foundation for any portfolio with an eye on tomorrow. Part 2. Stock number 2. Brookfield Renewable BEPC. Clean energy isn't a trend, it's the next industrial revolution. Brookfield Renewable owns and operates hydro, wind, and solar assets around the world. They offer long-term contracts, dividend growth, and exposure to global infrastructure. This is a stock that rewards patience. While others chase hype, BEPC builds power literally. With governments worldwide pushing for net zero emissions, BEPC is positioned to thrive. They're not just meeting today's demand, they're laying the foundation for tomorrow's energy economy. Brookfield's focus on sustainable growth ensures steady returns in an increasingly volatile market. Their diversified portfolio protects against regional disruptions, making them a resilient choice. And their commitment to innovation means they're staying ahead of clean energy trends. Investing in BEPC isn't just good for your wallet, it's a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. Their strategic partnerships with governments and corporations solidify their market dominance. Brookfield's track record of consistent performance gives investors confidence in long-term stability. They're leveraging advanced technology to maximize energy output and efficiency. As renewable energy adoption accelerates, BDT is positioned to lead the charge globally. Part 3. Stock number 3. Shopify. Shopify has quietly rebuilt itself after the 2022 crash. With millions of entrepreneurs on its platform and new AI tools rolling out, it's positioned to scale again. This isn't just e-commerce, it's infrastructure for digital business. When creators, coaches, and companies build stores, Shopify gets paid every single time. Their subscription model ensures steady income, while transaction fees grow with global sales. The rise of direct-to-consumer brands keeps driving demand for Shopify's tools. Recent expansions into fulfillment services make them more competitive with Amazon. Shopify is also leveraging AI to simplify store management, from product suggestions to marketing automation. As small businesses scale globally, Shopify's platform becomes an essential partner. This isn't just a company, it's a movement empowering entrepreneurs to compete on a global stage. Their ability to integrate seamlessly with platforms like TikTok and Instagram boosts brand reach. Shopify's growing marketplace partnerships open up new revenue streams for sellers worldwide. Their commitment to reducing barriers for small businesses is redefining global commerce. As the gig economy expands, Shopify's tools become indispensable for a new generation of entrepreneurs. Part 4. Stock number 4. BlackRock BLK. BlackRock isn't flashy, but they manage over $10 trillion. They influence governments, ETFs, retirement funds. They're the quiet hand behind modern investing. When interest rates normalize, their fee-based business accelerates, and iShares is becoming a default for passive investors. This is what legacy wealth looks like in the digital age. Their Aladdin platform powers risk management for financial institutions globally. As ESG investing rises, BlackRock leads with strategies that align capital with sustainable goals. They're not just growing, they're shaping the future of finance. Even amid market volatility, BlackRock's diversified approach ensures steady performance. This is the kind of stock you hold for decades, not days, because true wealth is built on consistency. BlackRock's focus on innovation ensures they stay ahead in a rapidly evolving market landscape. Their global reach means they can capitalize on economic trends across multiple regions. BlackRock's involvement in shaping financial regulations solidifies its position as a market leader. Their expansion into private equity and alternative investments creates new opportunities for growth. Investing in BlackRock isn't just about returns, it's about partnering with the future of finance. Part 5. Stock number 5. CrowdStrike. Cybersecurity is the one sector that becomes more essential every year. CrowdStrike offers cloud-native threat detection that scales with companies, and their growth has been explosive. AI security threats are rising. CrowdStrike is ready. They're already in enterprise and federal systems. This isn't optional tech, it's mission-critical. Their Falcon platform uses AI to detect and prevent breaches in real time, setting a new industry standard. As companies migrate to the cloud, CrowdStrike services become indispensable. They've maintained over 90% customer retention, proof of their value in a crowded space. Governments and corporations alike are increasing cybersecurity budgets, and CrowdStrike is at the forefront. Investing in CrowdStrike isn't just about today, it's about staying ahead in a world that's only getting more digital. Part 6. How to pick stocks wisely. These 5 stocks aren't magic, they're part of a system. I look for 3 things: trends, timing, trust. Trends that are global, timing that's still early, and companies you can trust to compound. Think long-term, avoid the noise, and stack your winners over time. This is how wealth gets built, quietly, steadily, and intentionally. Study industries shaping the future: AI, renewable energy, and digital infrastructure. Focus on businesses with a track record of adaptability and innovation. Reinvest dividends and gains into your portfolio to accelerate growth. Patience beats panic. Volatile markets reward those who stay the course. And remember, the best investments aren't just about returns, they are about aligning with where the world is heading. If this helped you think differently about stocks, hit that like button and drop a ticker you're watching in the comments. And subscribe for weekly videos on mindset, money, and investing that actually make sense. Let's build this together. Because wealth isn't just what you earn, it's how you grow it. The journey starts now. See you in the next video.